Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you are fine. I am Kamalakumari, your science teacher. We are giving you online classes regularly. See children, we learned about different forms of water. Today, we are going to learn about in detail with the uses of water. We need water to perform several day-to-day activities like cooking food, cleaning clothes, cleaning utensils, washing clothes, etc. Without water, we cannot survive. So, water is essential for us. And in what way water is useful for us? It is useful in many ways. We use water for drinking purpose. You can see this picture, children, how the water is useful. It is useful in many ways. The girl is drinking water. The boy is bathing. And this girl, she is pouring water to the plants. In this way, water is useful in many ways. Day-to-day life, it is useful. And do you know, children, our body uses water to regulate its temperature and maintain other bodily functions. On an average, the human body requires 2 to 3 liters of water per day for proper functioning. Water helps in digestion of food and removal of toxins from the body. Now, next, the measurement of water. How it is measured. Can you see the picture, children? This picture shows different measuring jars where the volume of water is measured. Usually, the liquids like petrol, diesel, water, they are measured in liters. This you will learn in next lesson. Different lesson about measurements. Can you see the jars, children? The picture, there are measurements. Even in your house, if you see mug or bucket, there will be measurements. With that, you can measure different measurements. You can use this, children, in your house, how to measure the water. Now, where do we get water from? We get water from different water sources in our surroundings. Most villages, wells, canals, tanks, ponds, rivers, etc., they are the main water sources. So, different sources. Water is not only available from sources such as rivers, lakes, seas. You can see sea water, children. But it is also present in, say, river water. So 3/4 of our earth is covered with water. This is river water. River water we can use for different purposes. You can see here the different sources of water. But water not only present in lakes, rivers, seas or ponds, it is also present in vegetables, fruits also. For this you can take a small activity you can do in your house, children. You can take a fruit, cut it into pieces, take a paper and rub it on that paper. See, the paper becomes wet. That shows that fruits and vegetables also contains water. Not only that, our body also contains 70% of water by weight. Now, can you see this picture, children? Here, different sources of water you can see. You can see different sources here. Well, how do they dig this well? In the villages, usually you will see with the help of pulley, they will fetch the water from the wells. Here you can see this hand pump or boat pump. This usually you can see here also in the cities, you can see this. These are the different sources of water present on the earth. To understand this, here we have different sources of water. So this is, what is this picture, children? This is nothing but water cycle. The water from rivers, lakes and ponds evaporates due to the heat of the sun. Sun's heat, the water changes into water vapor and it settles down in the form of clouds. Then when the clouds become cool, this water vapor changes into water. What is that process already you studied now? That is condensation process. So it will fall in the form of rain. You can see precipitation here. What is precipitation? Water or frozen water falling to the earth. That is called precipitation. Rain, snow, sleet, hail. This is called precipitation. And collection of water here, nothing but river or water not only collected here in the river surface, sometimes it flows off before collecting. So deforestation and pollution from factories, now they are causing global warming. You studied already in 5th class, pollution. So the atmospheric conditions are not favorable for clouds to get cooled. Then what will happen? There will be a decrease in rainfall. This disturbs the water cycle and causes either less rainfall or too much rainfall. So what happens if there is less rainfall or too much rainfall? So let us study. If less rainfall is there, what does it happens? You can see this picture, children. There is no rainfall at all, and here the land became dried up, and you can see the cracks also in between. So here we cannot grow any plant. The farmers, they cannot grow any plant. Such an area is called drought. What it is called, children? Droughts. Droughts are caused due to the scarcity of water. So here the farmers, they lose this farming in this land. So here one more is there. Even though the river Krishna flows through Nalgonda district, it suffers from severe water scarcity. There also scarcity of water is there. Why? It's not drought there, but most people in Prakasam district of our state face water crisis. This is because the groundwater is polluted and drinking it causes fluorosis. What is fluorosis, children? With sand present in the drinking water that is not suitable for drinking purpose. Such water is not suitable for drinking. So, scarcity of water causes droughts. Is it clear, all of you? Next, if water is more, heavy rainfall, continuous 2-3 days, there is a heavy rainfall. Coastal area like Visakhapatnam, you know, there will be a continuous rainfall, and here you can see it occurs floods. Floods are natural hazards. During rainy season, you will find the floods here, children. So, more water here. There, droughts means no water. Here, floods means more water. Due to more water, what will happen? They cannot drink that water. They cannot do any work. See how it is. Till that water goes, even roads completely filled with water. The drainage water gets mixed up. So, this is how the floods occur, and this is also is not good for us. Heavy rains, due to heavy rains, it occurs. So, next. That's all for today, children. We completed this lesson. Thank you.